soon. Good one. Move that along. Whoa. Wipe the glue off your fingers on your shorts and your home and hose. About there. Cut the sucker out. That pattern that pattern's going the wrong way. Do it again. You're always trying to stay aware of things like your pattern. Like it happens. You put your tile up and go, oh no, bummer. The pattern's going the wrong way. So always be aware of things like that. I nearly made a stuff up. See, all the pattern is going to the left. Wherever you look, it's going to the left. That's sort of straight, and so is that one, but everything is going to the left. That's not turned around and going straight up. It's going to the left all the way. When you look at your bathroom, the grain there is going to the left. See that one straight? It's going to the left though, because if it was turned around, that one there, that one, if that was turned, it would be going the wrong way. Everything is going to the left. So I would have had a slight muck up, and it's no good for anyone because you've got to take it off. whenever you're putting up pattern tiles, you always be aware of that. You must look all the time. Bit of glue on the floor, we'll just get that up so I'm not spreading it around. Oh, Jesus. What a fluke that was. Did you see that? You're probably saying, what a dick. I like to have a little bit of fun, people. Life's not all seriousness. All right, I'm gonna have a drink of water. Turn the camera off for a bit. I'll do these next, and then I would have broken its back. Then, you see, when I do the top up there, some people would use a tape. I use a piece of tile and mark my mark. Cool. I'm getting through it. By the time I go home, I reckon I'll have it pretty well done, which is cool. I'm having tomorrow off because it's Friday and it's Pop and Nana Day for our two grandies. So we'll go out to lunch and that sort of thing and enjoy the day. Okay, people, I'll see you soon. Subscribe to my channel and learn how to tile. We'll see you soon. Bye.